Hi, I'm Kathleen with Landlord Source. And in the property management industry, we would not be able to function without our vendors, our maintenance personnel, staff, all those people that represent and reflect our companies. So, how do we find good vendors? How do we vet them? One thing that's really important is making sure that your vendors are insured. And I know it's a big struggle in my area because many small vendors don't carry insurance. But the reason why it's really important to work with vendors that do is it goes right back to risk management. What happens if they get hurt on the job site, right? You don't want to get sued and or your owner. I have also testified as an expert witness in court cases, and one was exactly around this issue. A property owner hired someone to do work and the person got hurt and didn't have insurance and sued the owner. So as property managers, professional property managers, we want to make sure that we vet our vendors. Landlord Source has great products specifically for vendors, how to hire them, the application form process, what they need to provide to you so that they can become part of your team. Check out our products. Thanks.